Hello everyone, this is Amir from FRAMINGSTOry. Today I'll show some macro idea and how to shoot macro photography. So you can start your macro photography or you can get better macro photography. For today I will use two light setup. This is the Godox 200 and this regular flash. This will be my main light setup and I will use a reflector in some cases. And this is my camera. You can do this setup with any other brand as I am using an extension tube, multi-purpose extension tube and a Canon lens. I have made another video for how to make this extreme macro lens. You can get the link in description. And I'm also using this macro lens. This is very old macro lens. This is Sigma lens and this is very noisy, but it still work good. So let's make it. This is our macro photography setup for today, and some birds also singing outside. We'll shoot water drop. This is really teeny, but result will be cool. We can see the setup. Two light from both sides, and front there is a reflector. We are using a very big aperture around f16 and around 100 shutter speed, ISO around 500. Let's see some other photograph. We have to edit our photograph. If there is a lot of dust or unwanted light or anything else, we have to clean and make it sharp. This is a quick one how I'm doing my post processing. I have several tutorials for how to edit macro photography. Get the link in description so you can make your own macro photograph pop up. I think it will help you. So our photo is ready. Now we'll see the before and after. This is a really cool one. Our next project is with candlelight. We'll make some macro of this candlelight. We'll shot from one side and we'll also shot from top side so we can get different angle. And this one from top side. Our next project with ball pen, and we will get some cool macro of this ball pen. Let's see how does it work. This is really cool. So now we will shot with most common macro photography element, that is coin, but we can do some creative shot with coin. This is awesome. We'll try some more. Now we'll do some macro with ornaments as it is available in every house. This is a bracelet. Now we'll do the most creative one. This is water droplet and we are using a background also. This is a Apple iPad. You can use any wallpaper or calendar or photo. Sometimes we will use timer to reduce the camera shake or get the sharpest photograph. We can get some fun shot also with macro photography. So that was all for today, and if you got any question, please feel free to ask us. We will reply your question, and thank you for watching. See you in next video.